Hey, what's up YouTube? I am doing a short video with my student here. You've seen the student. She started out very nervous, but now she's like driving like an expert. So I'm gonna go over to Dania Beach. I don't think I've ever done any video on Dania Beach. I'm gonna take a drive over there. So I'm gonna record her as we drive over to Dania Beach. I want you to like the video as usual. Share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, and hit that notification bell. Alright, go ahead and make a left turn. Stay in the left lane here. Left lane, yeah. Ready to go down straight, and your phone is ringing again. You're very popular today, young lady. What's up with that? Yeah, you're super popular. Your phone rang how many times today? 3 times? In like a little over 45 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna go over to Dania Beach. Yo, you know the land crab?
Yeah, no.
You like crab, right?
No,
I love crab.
No.
But the only place that I've ever seen the land crab
Where?
is over here, Dania Beach, High Line. So the casino. I used to come to this casino.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's really big.
Yeah, but over here, I haven't been over here lately, but years ago when you come over here,
Mm-hmm.
you used to see like literally hundreds of the land crab crossing, sometimes thousands of them. They used to be all squashed out on the road.
Well, I expect that.
Yeah, they used to be squashed out, but the last couple of crab seasons, because I think it's crab season now, because I've been watching some vlogs in Jamaica.
Yeah,
Where they're catching the crab and eating them. I love those vlogs, yo.
Yeah,
But-
it is crab season.
Yeah, them land crab. It's the only place I've seen. I had it in the Bahamas one time since I come up,
Mm-hmm.
but I've never had land crab since I left Jamaica. But those crabs are so much better than the sea crab. But over here, I used to come over here and just pick them up on the side of the road. I used to come down here with a bucket and fill the bucket of crab. But now, I don't know what happened. I haven't seen any at all the last 10 years.
Did you guys kill them off?
No, we ain't kill them all.
You did.
I mean, a lot of them usually die just from cars driving over them.
See?
But I'm sure that's not the reason why we're not
They
seeing
kill them
any.
and their little cousins and everybody.
Yeah, right. Yeah, but it's weird how we don't see no more. Now they're replaced by iguanas.
Yeah.
Iguanas
And
is
those
all
iguanas
over.
are huge.
Yeah, they're replaced. Over here now, when you come over here, you see iguanas everywhere. And the bridge is actually going up.
Oh, where? Really?
Yeah, the drawbridge. Yeah, I see it there.
We should turn around?
No, we're gonna wait for the bridge to go up and then go back down.
Oh, okay.
You can turn around here anyway. There's no way to turn around.
I'm asking. That
No.
first time over here.
No, you couldn't turn around.
What are you doing?
I used to come up here and fish too, off of this bridge. I saw one of my friends.
What kind of fish you guys catch there?
Well, it's the ocean, so you catch like snappers and grunts and
Really?
jacks and whatever. Yeah, it's the intercoastal, so it leads into the ocean. So it's this regular whatever fish you can catch in the regular part of the sea, you catch over here.
Okay.
But yeah, here we used to fish off of this bridge. Me and Louis and Tony and Sean, my son. Oh yeah, have you seen any of Sean's new stuff?
Yeah, I saw him really. Good stuff.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
good stuff.
it's nice.
Good
The
stuff.
new song is hot. We gotta shoot the video for that.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah. Soon. Let me see.
Okay, who will be producer?
So what? Who's the producer? Are you saying who the producer?
So big up to the producer.
Yeah, Sean. Well, there's a new producer that makes the beat. But Sean wrote the song. Sean arranged the song and recorded the song. So yeah, now we're trying to find the right model to shoot the video. It was sailboat. You see, one of these boats would hold up the bridge for how many people? For real.
See, that's when you are wealthy and the whole world stops for you.
Yeah, that's
So
the difference. That's the difference between having a little money and being rich. Right?
Yeah, so that's not even rich. That's wealthy.
Wealthy.
Okay, that's a different vibe. Okay.
Yeah.
See?
Except you don't have to be too wealthy to buy them sailboats.
No, I know you don't have to be too wealthy, but I'm just saying.
But I get the concept.
Yes.
Yeah, there's so many of them over Dania Beach. I used to come over here all the time to fish. Off the pier, Dania Pier.
Is there restaurants and stuff down
Yeah, there's a restaurant right there. Outer Deck. You ever heard of Outer Deck?
there? No, because my first time with Dania Beach.
No, but Outer Deck is other places. It's not the only place.
Well, I wasn't aware of that.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. There's a lot more people down here than Fort Lauderdale Beach. I mean, I don't know if they're actually on the beach.
Well, you see a lot of boating too, so
Yeah, so they're doing the boats, they're doing the restaurant, they're doing other things. And it seemed like we're going around the corner. Right turn, right turn. Yeah, they're still not really on the beach that much. They're just like in the restaurant and whatever. Take your time. It's kind of tight in here, a lot of cars.
It is. Pretty fun. I think I can go up a little bit more.
Yeah.
That's just my personal opinion.
Yeah. People are definitely out down here. Yeah, when you drive by Fort Lauderdale Beach, there's not much going on. There's a lot more happening down here. But then on the beach itself, it doesn't, but you can't really see the beach, so I can't even say that. Yeah, there's not much people over there. There's nobody. Yeah. You know, that's funny. As long as I've lived here, I've never actually gone to the beach at Dania. I've gone fishing on Dania Beach off the pier, but never like swimming on the beach. I mean, there's a park over there, though, behind there. That we used to go to the park and do barbecues and picnics and stuff. And then we'd swim there. Yeah, family type thing. Back in the days. Federales. This place is opening back up soon. I think. No, that's condos. Everything down here really is condominiums. Yeah. Stop completely. Alright, so we're going to make a right turn. Follow the taxi. Make the right turn and go back up on the bridge.
Alright.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a right turn.
Taxi's making a lot.
Yeah, well,
We're not gonna follow the tax.
We're not following tax.
Okay. Just saying.
Yeah, when I
Since you want
saw
out here follow people.
when I saw it at first, I thought they were going up on the bridge. I'd stay in the right lane. Yeah, the park that I'm talking about is over there.
You gonna go? I want to make a stop.
You're gonna go around the circle. So the park is still closed. See the sign closed.
Nice.
So this big windy circle. You're back up on the bridge. Good job.
Yay!
Yeah, you did it. You handled that corner like a pro.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're leaving Dania Beach. So I'm gonna end the video here. And as you can see, she has gotten considerably better. She's driving really well, and she's only gonna get better. So the next two lessons that she's gonna have is gonna be to practice the actual driving test and to take the actual driving test. So I will document. I'll show you a little bit of both of those lessons when she's practicing. And keep in mind that I can't actually show the driving test, but you know, I'll show as much of it as I can without showing the actual route. And then I'll show you the morning that she gets her driving test. You know, we're not going to show the test obviously, but we'll show the celebration afterwards. All right? So, like the video, share the video, and again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and hit that notification bell. All right? And I will see you on the next one.